chocolate mint almond oat slice today, and what you're going to need for this recipe is 15 grams of the Happy Way chocolate mint protein powder. I've got some almond butter, some tahini, of course I've got some oats, my maple syrup, and then I've just got some chopped up chocolate here. I'm using dark chocolate. You can also use chocolate chips in this recipe, or you can add in some dried fruit. Now it's very simple to make. So first we're just going to quickly blitz our oats to make like a coarse meal. So chuck that in your blender, and you'll need to do it for about 5 to 10 seconds, and then pop everything into your bowl, mix it until it's well combined and nice and sticky. And then you're just going to pop it into a lined baking tray. Pop that in there, press it down until it's nice and compressed and formed together in a nice square. And then you're going to pop it in the fridge to set. It should take about 2 hours to set. And then I like to cut mine up into little squares and have them as an afternoon snack. And these are also great to have after dinner for something a little bit sweet.